Hello and welcome. Today we will be demonstrating the Ligno-Scanner D pinless type moisture meter. Your meter comes in a pouch with a full instructional booklet as well as the species card. The Scanner D has 60 settings for wood and a reference scale for other non-wood building materials. It uses a 9-volt battery that is also included. The wood species card describes the most common wood species and the settings that correlate to them. To set the meter to the desired setting, hit the Set Hold button. Use the up and down arrow to change the settings. We will be using setting 55 today to measure maple. Once you have your desired setting, place your meter on the wood, push the read button, apply slight pressure to the sides of the meter, and take a measurement. You can see that we are measuring on setting 55, 9.8%. If you are documenting or taking pictures of your reading, simply depress the Set Hold button once and the meter will hold the reading. We are showing it holding at 9.6%. The meter will shut itself off after 2 minutes to conserve battery life. If you know the specific gravity of the wood and it's not listed on the species card, you can set the meter as well to give accurate readings. For example, we know that Santos mahogany has a specific gravity of 0.77, so you would set your meter to 77. The Ligno-Scanner D measures down to 3/4 inch. This is good if you are measuring products such as floor planks or material 3/4 inch or thicker. If you have any questions about this meter or any of our other products, please feel free to call 800-227-2105.